Hey there. Today is a cool day at the garage because listen, in the hall next door, a top car from Driftmasters has arrived. One of the drivers, who was traveling from Ireland to Finland, asked me if he could leave his car here on our property, and later, if we would have space to help him service the car before the third round of Driftmasters. Whenever I can, I help out. Now there's a top Driftmasters car parked out back that's already been on the podium this season, which is awesome. We're helping our friends assemble the steering knuckle. Right now they're installing the differential, and there's a quiet plan to do a test drive on the lot later. A Driftmasters car on the lot is something everyone wants to see.
Big drifts at the scrapyard. Check out what kind of car this is.
This is the very center here. First you have to knock this out, the very center, the hub itself, and then this one. I'm replacing the bearing and the hub because a certain Mr. Juha Rintanen, I don't know if you know him, destroyed it. It broke down and needs to be fixed.
Look at this construction, but basically everything is made of aluminum and it drives in here. Basically the car drives in and this goes onto the trailer in front of the car.
At the back of the car?
At the back or at the front?
It's at the back.
Oh, in the back. I didn't see how it was installed. So at the back of the car, there's a nice little rack with tires. Good option. Was there ASMR?
There was
Was there?
We're discussing how he sensed that professional vibe.
He was already doing it on time?
Ah, okay. No, but that's a good thought. We can ask this question to those watching the videos. How would you call a car that's professionally built but has little power? Low pro? That sounds weird.
interesting thought.
Professional low newtonometer.
Look, in rallies these cars don't have some crazy amount of power. And they're professional and kind of...
We need inspiration. If anyone has an idea for how to name a fully professionally prepared car...
Pro junk is out.
It can't be called junk, since that implies it's worthless. But this is meant to be professional.
Performance.
Performance.
Orion, what are you doing there? Tell me.
I'm installing the differential. We spent the whole day installing new differential parts with the final drive and the pinion shaft. And now we're putting it into the car and hoping it will work in Finland this weekend. It should be stronger. It's an upgrade with a bigger wedge and steel inserts. I hope it will work for a few years. We'll see. So yes, in a moment we'll be ready for testing and we hope it will work well. Is everything working?
You can check it's moving. That's good.
That's good.
The wheels are turning.
That's a weak point. Every time you hit it, it bends.
Where exactly does it bend?
Here.
Ah, okay. You can see it with the naked eye.
So maybe we'll have new ones that are thicker in this spot.
But then we need new bearings.
Exactly. How often has that happened to you?
5-6 times in the last 2 years.
Wow, so often.
Every time I hit the wall or someone hits me, it bends. Do you remember Nissan's solution? You can just screw it on.
With a bearing.
Okay, yes.
That would be cool.
Yes.
Wisefeb should do something.
It would be much easier. We have those in Subaru.
Yes.
It's much easier with the screw.
Yes.
Listen, the guys here from Norway have a carbon shaft, the one we once took apart. So we can weigh it, in short. Since we have the opportunity, these are the things that always excite us the most. Isn't this aluminum? They said they can now remove the shaft in a minute. Earlier, with the two-part version, disassembly took 15 minutes.
Crosspiece. I see how he's putting it together. It holds well.
What is this?
Lada.
Lada, station wagon. No, this is rear-wheel drive in general.
Yeah, that's my dream.
But check out the interior.
Take a picture of me like this so she sees what she lost. Nice for the winter. Hey, but the gears shift smoothly. It doesn't work? That's probably why they returned it. Because the stand definitely doesn't turn. Paw. Vertical window. Something beautiful.
But we're not here without a reason. Because Piotrek is building his BMW E30 project. And a part is needed.
Yes, a new part from Panty is needed.
A new part from Pante, we're looking for Mondeo.
In TDC. Oh.
In TDC, oh.
I need a connector for the fan, but it's a single one. Two are needed, so maybe that's it.
No, that's not it. Perfectly in the puddle.
It won't be easy here.
Check it for peace of mind.
Even if I wanted to,
In sandals into a puddle.
it's not possible. Because the fans met with the engine.
Not like that.
So mission failed, right?
Not exactly.
Why?
We'll check at the store to see if they have that kind of fan. And if they have it at the store, we'll go to the store.
Yes, Lint. If not, we'll wait a few days and it should arrive.
Yes.
What?
And why do you need it?
This is a pilot car. It has to show the route, where to go. Briefing scheduled for understanding.
Briefing?
All right.
He was already here when I started moving.
And I just keep grinding and grinding. I'll make a loop and throw Orion into the compote. The car's value will go up.
That's so great.
I have one challenge for you because it's starting to rain. So you'll have less grip. You have to close the door, I'll open the door, and you have to close it.
closed.
But actually closed.
What is he doing, Andre?
He's trying to close politely.
That was awesome.
Yes, it was perfect.
Ooh!
They're still okay, aren't they?
They're still good for sale.
You can't even see it.
Yeah, just a small scratch here. Yeah, that's all.
That's it for the flap?
What?
For the flap. But will it catch her from the back? Isn't it too high?
No, yeah.
Yeah?
When it comes to the car, yes.
Alright.
All right. That was close. Everything was fine until he drove off, right?
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no, that's it. Yes!
It went in.
Good.
We should leave this to the professionals.
You won the qualifiers?
Bravo, Piotr. Tell me, was it a difficult challenge?
No.
How many attempts did you have?
5. But every time I was so close. So there was consistency, but the trick was to finish without hitting the car. And that was difficult.
What, sir?
Listen, Piotr explained the qualifications. He closed the flap with the back.
He had 2 competitors and crushed them, including one who drives in Driftmasters.
The other one no longer drives in Driftmasters.
Will you have to fix it again?
Compota?
No, nothing happened to him, right?
Compota is like that, you know, he's made for this. But there's another car there that will also be made for this. You just have to watch and you'll see. It will be fine.
Oh, that was great fun. Now I can't wait for the weekend. The car made a good impression, but it was even more fun to close the doors and try to shut the trunk lid. It was great, but I think I broke his car. I took off, but I'm used to long cars. For example, my car is very long from the rear wheel to the end, and the E36 is like that. I felt like I had to go full throttle. So when I tried to close them, I overdid it, so a bit too hard, but it was really cool, really nice. Great day. We feel ready for Driftmasters in a few days.
A lot or a little?
A little with the driver.
The Norwegian team is packing up for the 3rd round of Drift Masters.
So we helped with what we could. We also had a bit of fun at the scrapyard. We're keeping our fingers crossed for Orion and hoping he does well in Finland. And we're moving on with other topics.